In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove extra breakpoints in Webflow. If you've ever dabbled in Webflow, you know how versatile it can be in bringing your web design dreams to life. However, as you experiment with different layouts and responsive designs, you might find yourself accidentally cluttering your project with extra breakpoints. While Webflow does a great job of letting us add breakpoints, it comes with a limitation. You can't simply delete them once they're added. But don't worry, there's a solution, and I'm going to guide you through it. First, let's talk a bit about these breakpoints. At the top of your Webflow interface, you'll notice a list of breakpoints that you've created. These are crucial for ensuring that your designs work seamlessly across different device sizes. But adding too many can make managing your design more challenging than it needs to be. Unfortunately, Webflow itself does not allow you to delete breakpoints once they've been added. However, there's a handy workaround that involves leveraging a browser extension. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Chrome Web Store. Here, search for an extension called FinSuite Extension for Webflow. This tool is quite a lifesaver for Webflow users, offering a range of utilities to enhance your design workflow. Once you've found it, go ahead and install it to your browser. Keep in mind that you'll need to be using Chrome for this extension to work seamlessly. After installation, the FinSuite extension will integrate itself into your Webflow interface. Specifically, you'll see a new icon on the toolbar on the left side of your Webflow workspace. Clicking on this icon opens up the FinSuite panel. This panel is equipped with multiple tools, each designed for specific tasks that can enhance and simplify your design process. Next, you'll want to turn your attention to the Breakpoints section within the FinSuite panel. Click on this option, and it will reveal a list of all the breakpoints you've added to your project. This is where it gets exciting. In this list, find the breakpoints you wish to remove. Next to each one, you'll see a trash icon. Simply click on this icon next to any breakpoint you want to delete. Once you've clicked the trash icon, the extension will do a bit of processing, so you might notice a short loading period. Be patient during this time. Following this, you'll need to refresh your Webflow page. After the refresh, you'll find your workspace a bit more organized, as the unneeded breakpoints will have vanished. And there you have it. Now you can keep your project cleaner and more efficient by removing those pesky extra breakpoints. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Keep designing, and see you in the next video.